things needed are 150 grams of butter, 100 grams of powdered sugar, 250 grams of maida, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now let's get into the video. Now as you can see, my butter is so soft and fluffy, and now I'm going to add the powdered sugar, which is 100 grams, and now I'm going to add the vanilla essence. It is optional. If you have and if you want, you can add, but if you don't want, it's okay. Adding is great. Now add a pinch of salt. Mix it thoroughly, but do not overbeat it, but just mix it really well. When it has a smooth consistency, you can add the maida. You can see the consistency is now really nice. Okay, now we are going to add the maida, which is 250 grams. Okay. But do not overbeat, guys. Just mix it now. Let's knead it with our hands until it gets like a thick. Now I have kneaded the dough really well, and now wrap it with a plastic sheet and keep it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. So delicious and so good, and it smells really nice. Yummy. To try this recipe and comment down below your experience, and make sure you hit that like button, share and subscribe, and click on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye.